Kodak moment. Good. If you want it more sugary, remember 21 grams of sugar is in that condensed milk. Get the Borden. I'm not promoting them or anything, but Borden's been around for years. I know Carnation, but a lot of them, even the cheap stuff that they got at Walmart, you know, you don't know what they put in there. You made the ice cream. You know what you put in there. You put Nabisco's mini Oreos in here, or you might have Oreos already in the house. Then you might say, well, what white Oreos? Well, you could put that in it, but it wouldn't look. It wouldn't, you know. I should do the